Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Bhanger. आज के लेक्चर में तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को वेलकम करते हैं एंड आई जस्ट टेल यू द पर्पस ऑफ टुडेज लेक्चर. एक्चुअली वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 1, दैट इज द लास्ट sermon ऑफ द होली प्रॉफिट पीस बी अपॉन हिम. मेक श्योर दैट आपका अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन विल श्योरली हेल्प यू टू सिक्योर गुड मार्क्स इन योर एग्जामिनेशन पेपर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेक्चर. Be attentive, do participation with me. I just go with the blank number 1. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was born in. Answer is 571 AD. Blank number 2. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, belonged to a noble family of. Answer is Quraysh. Blank number 3. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is the Prophet of Allah. Answer is last. Blank number 4. The Quraysh used to worship and did not believe in one God. Answer is idols. Blank number 5. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, told the Quraysh that he was the of Allah. Answer is Prophet. Blank number 7. Quraysh thought if they accept Islam, they would become against their gods and their. Answer is ancestors. Blank number 8. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked his believers to migrate to. Answer is Yathrib. Blank number 9. The older name of Madina is. Answer is Yathrib. Blank number 10. Yathrib was away from Makkah in kilometers. Answer is 320. Blank number 11. Yathrib was away from Makkah in miles. Answer is 200 miles. Blank number 12. Yathrib was situated in the direction of Makkah. Answer is north. Blank number 13. AD means. Answer is Anno Domini. Blank number 14. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, migrated to Yathrib with. Answer is Hazrat Abu Bakr. Blank number 15. The journey from Makkah to Quba was of. Answer is 8 days. Blank number 16. The journey from Makkah to Yathrib was of. Answer is 12 days. Blank number 17. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, reached the outskirts of Yathrib on. Answer is 28th June 622 AD. Blank number 18. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, established a mosque at. Answer is Quba. Blank number 19. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, entered the main city of Yathrib on. Answer is 2nd July 622 AD. Blank number 20. The event of migration is known as. Answer is Hijrah. Blank number 21. Yathrib was soon renamed. Answer is Madinatun Nabi. Blank number 21. Madinatun Nabi means? Answer is the city of Prophet. Blank number 23. Madina means? Answer is the city. Blank number 24. In Madina, different number of groups were living. Answer is 4. Blank number 25. The 4 groups of people in Madina were. Answer is Muslims, Jews, pagans, hypocrites. Blank number 26. 2 group of pagans in Madina were living. Answer is Aus and Khazraj. Blank number 27. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, established a constitution in Madina known as. Answer is Charter of Madina. Blank number 28. In constitution, especially the rights and duties of 2 different groups were discussed. Answer is Muslims and Jews. Blank number 29. In the year of Hijrah, the Holy Prophet undertook his farewell pilgrimage to Mecca. Answer is 10th year of Hijrah. Blank number 30. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, delivered his last sermon in the Valley of Mount Arafat. Answer is Urana. Blank number 31. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, delivered his last sermon on. Answer is 6th March 632 AD. Blank number 32. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, delivered his last sermon on Islamic date. Answer is 9th of Zulhajj. Blank number 33. O people, lend me an attentive. Answer is ear. Blank number 34. O people, regard the life and property of every Muslim as a. Answer is sacred trust. Blank number 35. Return the goods entrusted to you to their. Answer is rightful owner. Blank number 36. Hurt no one so that no one may. Answer is hurt you. Blank number 37. Beware of Satan for the safety of your. Answer is religion. Blank number 38. Satan has lost all hope that he will ever be able to lead you in big things. Answer is astray. Blank number 39. O people, it is true that you have certain rights with regard to your. Answer is women. Blank number 40. All mankind is from Adam, and Adam was created from. Answer is dust. Blank number 41. The noblest of you in Allah's sight is the most. Answer is God-fearing. Blank number 42. An Arab has no over a non-Arab. Answer is superiority. Blank number 43. I, therefore, crush under my feet all the false claims to greatness and superiority founded on. Answer is blood or wealth. Blank number 44. All Muslim constitute one. Answer is brotherhood. Blank number 45. The message conveyed in this sermon is. Answer is for all times. Blank number 46. If the Muslims follow these messages, the result will be fair and answer is equitable society. Thank you so much everyone. This is all about for you people. Hope that you will get advantage from today's lecture. Allah Hafiz.